Did you know Amish women maintain their beauty without store-bought products? Instead of chemicals, they rely on simple, natural ingredients, many of which you probably have at home. In today's video, we're exploring 5 amazing beauty products Amish women make themselves. These time-tested remedies are free of toxins, easy to make, and incredibly effective. Let's dive in. First, let's talk about how Amish women keep their skin clean without commercial face washes. Instead of soaps with artificial fragrances, they use an herbal cleanser made with chamomile, calendula, and lavender. To make this, steep a handful of dried herbs in hot water for 5 to 10 minutes, like a tea. Once cooled, use a soft cloth to gently cleanse your face. The natural antibacterial properties of these herbs help prevent breakouts while soothing irritation. It's gentle, effective, and completely free of chemicals. Next, let's talk exfoliation. Amish women make a simple yet powerful scrub using just 2 ingredients: oats and raw honey. Oats naturally remove dead skin cells, while honey hydrates and fights bacteria. Mix equal parts of ground oats and honey, apply it to your face in gentle circular motions, and rinse off after a few minutes. It's an easy, all-natural way to refresh your skin without harsh microbeads or chemicals. For healthy, shiny hair, Amish women use an herbal rinse instead of conditioner. Apple cider vinegar combined with rosemary and thyme keeps hair soft and strong. After shampooing, just pour this rinse over your hair, leave it for a few minutes, and rinse with cool water. The vinegar balances your scalp's pH, reduces buildup, and rosemary promotes hair growth. Forget expensive conditioners. This simple rinse works wonders. Chapped lips? The Amish have a fix for that too. A simple homemade lip balm made from beeswax and coconut oil keeps lips soft and protected from harsh weather. Just melt 1 part beeswax with 2 parts coconut oil, pour into small tins and let it set. You can even add a drop of peppermint oil for a refreshing touch. This natural alternative is free from artificial flavors and preservatives, and it lasts all day. Finally, let's talk about skin hydration. Amish women make their own all-natural hand and body moisturizer using shea butter, olive oil, and herbs. This simple blend absorbs quickly, soothes dry skin, and nourishes without synthetic chemicals. Just apply it after washing your hands or before bed for ultra-soft skin. It's an all-natural way to keep your skin glowing, no matter the season. And there you have it, 5 simple, effective beauty secrets from Amish women: a herbal face cleanser, a honey and oatmeal scrub, an herbal hair rinse, a beeswax lip balm, and a soothing hand and body moisturizer, all made with natural ingredients. Which one are you excited to try first? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more natural living tips. See you next time.